I think AI may have the potential eventually to replace the teacher, but I don't think it will replace the teacher. And that's because teaching can only be effective if it is, if the student is fully understood in how the teaching can build on the past experience of the student, especially when it comes to personalized learning, where AI may eventually have an edge over traditional teaching with a teacher, with a class of 20, 30 students. But still, teaching would have benefits over AI if it's done by a traditional teacher, not necessarily in the traditional way, but rather using AI in order to ensure there is good engagement with the class, with the session which is being delivered, and also to ensure that the progression of the student is meeting expectations. So I think AI is going to empower the teacher and not replace the teacher.